In this video, I'll show you a quick fix if your imported model is not appearing in the viewport in Blender. Sometimes when you import a model, it might seem like it's missing, but in most cases, it's just located far away from your current view. To fix this, first just go to the Edit tab on your left hand side and go to Preferences. From here, make sure Emulate Numpad is toggled on like so, and now add the outliner. Make sure your object is selected, which in my case is going to be this particular object, and then simply press the period key on your numpad, also known as frame selected, like so, and this will instantly move your camera view to focus on the selected object, making it visible in viewport. If you are using a laptop without a numpad, you can just go to view and choose frame selected from here directly. This is one of the quickest and most useful shortcut to locate object in your scene. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.